In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to remove a pull request on GitHub. GitHub doesn't allow you to permanently delete pull requests, but you can close them to remove them from your active list while keeping them in your repository history. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, open the repository that contains the pull request you want to remove. Once you're inside the repository, click on the Pull Requests tab. This will show you all the pull requests associated with the repository. Find the pull request you want to remove and click on its title to open it. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the pull request page. Look for the Close Pull Request button and click on it. GitHub will change the pull request's status to closed. The pull request will no longer appear in your active list, but it will remain available in the repository's history. And that's how to remove a pull request on GitHub. Thanks for watching.